Hello, welcome. Let's try to solve another Leetcode problem. 2848 points that intersect with cars. So basically the problem is we are giving an array of nums. So from 3 to 6, so there will be cars. And from 1 to 5, so this is 1 to 5. So in this line, for each of the positions, there will be cars. And from 4 to 7, so this is going to be we make it this going to be 4 and this going to be 7. So from 4 to 7 there will also be cars. So we just want to return the number of integer points of the line that are covered with any part of a car. So according to this kind of description, normally we're gonna have 7 cars, because from 1 to 7 there will always be cars, because in this area there's overlap. That is okay, because definitely in this area there will be cars. So the answer is going to be 7. Now what we need to do is that we just need to check the constraints. So for example, from here the nums length is just 100 and the nums I it is okay, and the start and end is also 100. Yeah. So this means even we use brute force, we can solve the problem, but that is not the best way to solve the problem. Because while we are using the brute force, so definitely we need to check what is the length of the array and what is the start and end point. So the time complexity is gonna be the 100 square. So it's going to be a big number, but there's a solution by using on time. So the time complexity is going to be just 100. So let's just use a better solution. So the idea is that we don't need to check all the points, because it is a continuous line one by one. We don't need to plus all the values from the start to the end. We just need to record 2 points, the start point and the end point. So this means we can use a difference array. So the idea is that for each of the positions, we just need to take a start point. So this is going to be the start point, this is going to be the end point. So the start point is going to be plus a value. So for example, in our question, for this line, it means 1 cars. So it's going to plus a 1, and at the end line, we're going to minus 1. Because this at the end of line, at this dot, at this point, there will also be cars. There will also be a car. So at the next position, we're gonna use a minus 1. So this means after accumulating the values, this position is gonna be 0, but here gonna be 1. This means this position is gonna have cars. So by using this way, we can solve the problem efficiently by using on time. Now let's just try to solve it. So we're gonna prepare a f function. So inside, I'm gonna prepare a 0 times 100 and let me check. So it's going to be 102. We just normally it is 101, but we plus another 1 because we're going to use the end plus 1, because the end plus 1 is the position, and it's going to be a negative value. It's going to have a negative value, so we're going to use 102. Now we just need to check the places. So for start end in nums, so f start would plus equal to 1, and f add plus 1 would minus equal to 1. Now we just need to accumulate the function. So it's gonna be the list of accumulate with f. Now we just need to check if all the values is more than and equal to 1. We just need to sum up all the values. So we're going to check a number n, and it's going to be more than and equal to 1 for n in f. And we're going to sum up all the values. Now let's just run it to check. So for the first one, it is wrong. Let me just check this array first. What is wrong with it? As we can see, it seems the pre is okay. So how many values? So that is more than or equal to 1. So there are 7 values. But I just return a 3. It is not f. It is the pre, because I currently it is our prefix sum, but I still used f. Of course, it should be wrong because f is not required. I just need to use the prefix sum because I'm printing out the prefix sum. There are 7 numbers. Now let me just run it. Now as you can see, it works. Now let me submit it to check if it can pass all testing cases. As you can see, it works and it's pretty fast. Thank you for watching. See you next time.